Yeah, don't get too tame, Sharky. I want you to stay wild to look after yourself and keep yourself well. Okay? You're hungry, are you, darling? You know, beautiful feathers. You're a beautiful boy. I think he's a boy. I'll change his name if later if he grows up and he's a girl. But right now, you're a beautiful boy. Dark eyes. When he gets older, his eyes are going to turn blue. I googled on the interweb. Oh, you give me love kisses. Thank you, darling. Thank you. You give me love kisses. Do you want to leave the rest here for you on the bench? Must have a full belly soon. A full belly yet? Oh, little love kisses. You're a good boy, Sharky. Hope you treat everyone well, and thank you for spending time with me. I feel very lucky, but I am lucky. I'm a very lucky man, I am. I'm going to move my fingers down. There you are. Oh, that might be enough. It's giving me some nips. Love you very much. You have a good day. And say hi to your mum and dad for us. Alright, Sharky.